Hi guys, I'm back this week. I did the Cloudberries hands puzzle, a beautiful puzzle and my first ever Cloudberries. So I got a bit of a brand review at the same time and I want to share my experience. How I did this puzzle was so much fun, guys. This puzzle is beautiful and we're gonna start with the branding. I really like the presentation, the brand, the boxes and the font they use and the like white on gray. I don't know if they're all like that, but it's called poster puzzles. So I guess it's a collection within the brand. So when I opened that one for the first time, you got a little surprise. There's a little hello card, but it's a poem on the backside. Now I will not spoil it for you guys if you ever get a Cloudberries in the future. They also have a huge poster inside. Don't know if it's just the poster puzzles collection, but the poster is as big as the puzzle. And I just realized at the end, but you could have put the poster on the table and do the puzzle on the poster and it would have been fitting perfectly. So I thought it was pretty cool. Great presentation, beautiful brand. This was the one that appealed the most to me. I really thought it was a great image. 18 different rectangles, all different colors, and all hands holding different items. So really great design and a lot of fun. Now the pieces, they feel a bit smaller compared to Ravensburger and some other brands. They may be comparable to Buffalo games in size, but they don't feel cheap at all. They are pretty rigid, they feel high quality, and they have a nice finish. The experience was awesome. It was positive from start to finish. And I would describe my experience just like if you guys ever had a really good book that you just cannot put down because you just want to keep going. Well, that's exactly what happened to me during this puzzle. The last couple hours, I could not stop. I just wanted to keep going and finish it. So kind of easy, but still some challenging parts. One, because like all the hands are black. So at the end I had some black pieces to like go fill. Also, they have multiple blue parts. And these two here, they're kind of similar. This one is a little lighter. This one's a little darker. And this one also just lighter than this one. So at the end of the puzzle, what I had remaining is black pieces and blue pieces. And I finished with some blue that I have to go put here and there. Also, not too difficult because if you think about it and if you look closely, there's not a lot of pieces that are just monochrome. Like for each different section, you have some transition pieces on all edges. And you have objects and hands, so they have transition on pretty much every piece. So I would say some section had just 3 or 4 like orange pieces, or just maybe 5 or 6 at most. So it's not that bad. It's kind of easy. It took me like 6 hours and 16 minutes, but it's 6 hours of fun. So for the brand review, I would say a really good brand. I would recommend, and I would really like to do more. The only problem is I didn't see a lot of pictures that really appealed to me. They have a bunch, but not a bunch that I wanted to buy, so I chose that one. They have a lot of gradient style puzzles, but I didn't feel like another gradient. I thought this one was perfect. And yeah, the technique I used this time, I didn't feel like sorting this one, you know, like doing 15 little piles. So I decided to go just put all the pieces in the box. And then I just took some pieces and I decided to just place them where I think they were gonna go. And you will see the time lapse just shows that I did that for 5 hours. 5 hours of putting pieces here and there and assembling a little bit when I could. But the last hour, everything came together. It's the like out of 6 hours, the last hour is just where everything happens, and it's awesome. It was really cool. That's why I couldn't stop, because I felt like I was just, everything was coming together, and then I just had to fill these little color spots in hands. Now it's time to do the pickup challenge. I don't know why you guys recommended that on the comments. You guys want to see if I can pick up the puzzle without it falling apart. So we're gonna do that right now. I set up my phone over there and I'm gonna do the pickup challenge. It worked. The pickup challenge was a success, but I think it was really close. I didn't feel confident at all. I think it was maybe on the edge of like succeeding or falling apart. However, I don't really feel it's important, to me at least. Even if it did fall apart, I would still say this puzzle was awesome. I had a lot of fun. I felt it was great quality. I really like the presentation, the brand, the box, the poster, the little extra attention to details, the little poem, the little card. So this is Cloudberries, and I would do more in the future, definitely. I will see though, because there's a lot of brands I want to try, and life is short, right? So I don't know, maybe later I'll come back to this brand, but that was the one I wanted to do. I recommend that one, hands, by Cloudberries. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will leave you guys with the full time lapse, and you will see what I said at the end, like 5 hours of putting pieces everywhere and 1 hour of just magic happening. It was really satisfying. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more. Probably my next videos will be some speed puzzling. Once again, I got some circle of colors I want to do next, and then, you know, I'll be back with some other brands I want to review. So yeah, subscribe for more. Smash like if you enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one.